All right, welcome to Thursday the 21st. We've got another workout for you. You guys are doing awesome. Hope your week is going well. We're almost through this week. All right, so let's talk about this. 2 rounds, 2 times. We're gonna go through this. All right, 100-meter jog or 30 seconds of cardio. Now, if you're on the Zoom call, don't go out for a 100-meter jog. You know, you're gonna, it's just not going to be worth it to run out of the house and back in. All right, so we'll just do 30 seconds of jumping jacks, jump rope, running in place, butt kickers, high knees, something like that, okay? So we're going to 5 and 5 single arm rows, so that's just horizontal rows on each side. If you have rings, you can use 1-arm rings or a TRX. I know some of you still have a TRX at home, which is awesome. Or you could do high pulls. Okay, so if you only have a dumbbell, you can do some high pulls or 2 dumbbells, that's A-okay. Or you can do some dumbbell horizontal rows, that's fine as well. All right, 8-6 cal bike, or most of you won't have a bike at home, and that's all right. 30-second alternating lunges. Okay, that's probably, if you're on a Zoom call, that's what we're gonna do. Then we're going to alternating strict press, kettlebell or dumbbell, just strict press. So we're going to go 1 and then switch, 1 and then switch. So alternating means you switch every rep, okay? 5 plank to pike. So from a plank position, you're just going to send your hips straight up into the air. You're going to try and get into this overarm position, try and get your ears by your biceps in that pike position, okay? And then go back to a plank. All right, so that is, whew, that's a lot. That is our warm-up for today. So let's see what we got for the workout. Okay, here is our workout just for you. All right, we have 4 rounds for time, meaning we're going to start the stopwatch and we're going to go as quickly as we can, try and finish this workout with as little rest as possible. So we have a 200-meter or a 1-minute run. So if you're on a Zoom class, we'll do a 1-minute kind of jog in place, or you can jump rope, jumping jack, whatever cardio move we can do there that gets the feet moving, okay? So the idea is getting those feet moving, all right? 30-second alternating jumping lunges. Now, if you can't do a jumping lunge, just do a regular lunge or a split squat, that's fine. So do a lunge, switch feet, all good. All right, 12 up, down plus broad jump. Okay, so you're gonna do an up, down, then hop forward, turn around, do an up, down, hop forward, turn around, okay? 12 backpack bent over rows, okay? Now, if you have dumbbell or barbell, kettlebell, anything you need for that, you just bend over and do a horizontal row, okay? We're gonna keep going through that for 4 rounds, nice and quickly, little rest as possible, kind of power through it, okay? That'll be a lot of fun. There's no finisher today, so this should be enough. If you're in a Zoom class, we'll probably go down, a little cool down work or stretch, okay? So stay tuned for movement demos, and we'll see you for the next workout.